So here are the Walmart search results consisting of pagination data and also the name, the summary, the reviews and all sorts of things. And here are the Walmart product details consisting of the name, the images, what are the breadcrumb, pricing and the review breakdown and such kind of data that you will be easily able to get after watching this video. If you have tried scrapping Walmart, you know what looks simple is a completely different story when it comes to production. Scrapping Walmart seems simple, right? Just go to the website, grab whatever data you know, and you're done, isn't it? But like things are in life, things are not as easy as this seems to be. So if you try to do it at scale, you're going to run into a whole host of issues. Walmart is going to block you, it's going to ask for captchas, or it may even give you fake data called dummy data. And for the product that you intend, it will not be that data, but it will be dummy data, okay? So to solve these issues, you have to go and use Playwright and Puppeteer, and you have to use residential proxies, and you will also have to write complex selectors that break next month even. So these are a whole host of issues that you can run it. Let me show you a really easy way you can get the Walmart data, and you don't have to write any complex selector or use a residential proxy, and you can get it in 5 minutes only. So let's roll. So we want to get product details like this one, and the search results like this one with pagination. Now, to get such kind of data, we need Python, and to make our life simple, and so we don't have to write any complex selector, we are going to take help of an API called the Walmart Scrapper API. So this API, so this is developed by Umka Cloud, rated 4.5, excellent on Trustpilot, and you just have to sign up on the website, search for Walmart and go there. Therein you will find endpoint to get the search results and product details. So we are going to just use that. And we will just fetch results for that. I just have to hit python test.py to get Raspberry Pi search results from Walmart. And I have got back. So let us just compare these results to the official result that we get on Walmart, okay? In here I've just searched for Raspberry Pi. And here I've got the Raspberry Pi $114 model. And the next is a $198 model, okay? Same thing here, Raspberry Pi 4GB model costs $114. And we also have this $198 model. Same thing, and we have similar $84 model in this here, Raspberry Pi 400, same thing, same product. So everything is here. That's great. So we have 100% accurate data. Now let us use this pagination thing to get only the as much data as we want, okay? So to get that, just let me just enter here page. So page 2, let's get its search results. And here we have the search results. So we have got a second page details, and it's also very detailed. Now let us get the product details. So I will just copy the product details endpoint data and paste it in here. Now all I have to do is hit send, and I will get for this product. This is the very first product that we saw. This product. Now we have got back the response. See 4GB model. Let's just open it, and we see $114 product that we have, and all details are same here. We also have images, the breadcrumbs, and such kind of description also. So this is also pretty good. Now, if you want detailed data like this one or the product details like this one, you can use the API. It gives you 100 requests free every month, and on Trustpilot, Umka Cloud has been rated 4.5 excellent. So you're in great company. You can find the link to it in the description. And if you use it, you will not have to write any complex selector or use any residential proxy or that kind of stuff. So it will make your life really, really easy, and you can focus on your business. Thank you and have a great day.